Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SID. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $2.30. Now don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.30, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign going forward. Now, as far as, more so bigger picture points of view, so taking a step back, that's where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that going forward. Now again, staying above 230 would be great. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now what about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, key level right now is right here at $2.40, which is essentially where the price was rejected by today, and that actually makes perfect sense why the price couldn't quite get through there. Why do I say that? Well, you go back down through memory lane, and you can see a few weeks ago right there is exactly where the price got rejected, and once again rejected today. So while I'm not saying $2.40 can't be broken, I'm just saying apparently according to the quote-unquote story of the chart, the bulls really are going to need to bring their A game if they're going to be able to fight above it and then stay up above it. So 240, public enemy number one. All in all, though, very nice start to the week. And as long as the price starts building higher bases, everything else will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.